Hi everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. And so for today's video we are going through some amazing products that I've been keeping a secret from you. I know, I am so sorry that I've been keeping this secret from you, and it really has been one of those things where I've been dying to tell you. But as a skincare enthusiast and consumer, it's really important for me to kind of, gain a solid opinion on skincare products that I'm trying out, that I'm testing. And I do first impression videos, but really most of the time it's super important for me to try these products out, to get an experience and really sort of understand the products and the formulations to my best ability before recommending them to you guys, because it would absolutely break my heart if you purchase products and they just weren't as what you expected or what I was saying. However, with that being said, it does actually allow me to make these videos and express my underlying love for these products. So without further ado, let's get into the first selection of products. And so first of all, we have 3 products which I am obsessed with, and it is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Pure Skin line. So we've got the cleanser, we've got the toner, and we've also got the moisturizer. And so this part of the video is very kindly sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is just a pinch me moment, and I would absolutely not recommend products to you guys if I genuinely didn't love them. And I think I've actually fallen in love with these products because the formulation list is outstanding. The price is even better, and the fact that you can actually have a simple but effective skincare routine, which is affordable, is even better. And so the brand new e.l.f. Pure Skin line has been developed by dermatologists, and with a real focus on hyperpigmentation, inflammation on the skin, barrier repair, and also moisture retention. And it really is just setting the foundation for a perfect skincare routine, because obviously in the AM and throughout the day you would be wearing SPF. So yeah, e.l.f. imagine bringing out a Pure Skin SPF, lightweight, consistency with ceramides in that. However, if you're using these in the evening, this is just a perfect routine that's affordable, effective, and it's safe for sensitive skin types, because it's got some incredible ingredients in here which I'm super excited to kind of delve more into with you guys. And it's really good to know that these 3 products don't include parabens or sulfates in there, so really great for sensitive skin types and really sort of like reactive skin types as well. And especially if you don't like parabens in your skincare products, then this is definitely a great option for you. And so first up we have the Pure Skin cleanser, which retails at $9 if you're shopping in the US, or £9 if you're shopping on the e.l.f. Cosmetics UK website. And the formulation of the product is absolutely great, like so good. But this is a water-based cleanser. It's like a milky, creamy water-based cleanser that will actually take off your SPF, it'll take off light makeup, and it will really help to cleanse the skin without stripping it, without disrupting the skin barrier, and sort of, just irritating your skin. So in terms of the ingredients list, it's got glycerin in here, which is a fantastic humectant just to increase the skin's hydration. We've got niacinamide, which is a multifunctional skincare ingredient just to target the signs of inflammation, redness, and also sensitivity, as well as hyperpigmentation. We have got oat kernel flour in here, which is just that, whacking that soothing properties in there, and just great for eczema prone skin as well. We've got ceramide NP, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP. I mean, if you'd watched my previous video, you know that I'm obsessed with ceramides, and I have been for a long time, but they're just so great at kind of strengthening the skin barrier, and especially if you combine them with cholesterol and photosynthesis, that word I cannot pronounce, I'll leave it on screen here. It's just an absolute perfect pairing. And let me tell you, this cleanser pairs all of those ingredients together for just that optimal barrier repairing, strengthening properties. No, don't worry, the ingredients list does not stop there. We have also got sodium hyaluronate, which is a fantastic hydration ingredient. We have got allantoin for further soothing properties, and we've also got vitamin E as well, so that's antioxidant properties. all in this cleanser, which is just incredible. The texture, the consistency, like I said, is kind of like that creamy milkiness. It's kind of really thick, really nourishing for the skin. Absolutely perfect for the colder temperatures, the colder environments of the year, and just again great just to maintain that hydration, maintain that nourishment in the skin without stripping it and disrupting the skin barrier. And then we move on to the Pure Skin Toner, and I mean, if you need to whack the hydration into your skin, this is the blooming way to do it, because this is just a hydration kick like no other. It's a hydration on steroids basically. And just like all three products from the Pure Skin line, they're fragrance free, they're cruelty free, and also they're vegan as well. And the Pure Skin Toner retails at $9 or £9, and just a fantastic toner, lightweight in consistency, super layerable on the skin, and just whacks that hydration into the skin, making it really soft, plump and bouncy, and just healthy looking as well. But it has the likes of aloe leaf juice in there, which is fantastic at adding the hydration into the skin, but also calming down inflammation and irritation. It's got the likes of glycerin for further hydration, niacinamide again for kind of, you know, that barrier repair, that hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, irritation kind of thing. But we've also got trehalose, ceramide NP, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP. And yes, it is a watery consistency. Like, I was like, oh, this is incredible. And interestingly, it's got glycolic acid in here, but it's not an exfoliating toner, because the glycolic acid is used at really low levels, that it actually acts as a humectant for the skin. And in this product, again, we've got the likes of sodium hyaluronate, we've got cholesterol in there, we've got allantoin, but we've also got witch hazel as well. So that's just going to really kind of target your breakouts, your acne prone skin types. And then finally, from the e.l.f. Pure Skin line, we have got the Pure Skin Moisturizer, which retails at $12. So this moisturizer is really, really nourishing for the skin, but yet for my combination skin, it doesn't leave my skin feeling heavy or blocked, or, you know, just kind of like that really thick layer on the skin that's just uncomfortable throughout the day. This does the total opposite. It just nourishes the skin, but makes the skin feel breathable and lightweight. And with using the cleanser and the toner, it's just that perfect moisturizer just to really finish and complement your skincare routine off. And I mean, you can use all three products, or you can even use this. It is just equally as good, because it has this pretty much the same formulation in there. It doesn't scrimp or save on the ceramides or the fatty alcohols or the lipids. Just really great for skin barrier repairing properties. And so in terms of formulation, it features the same star class ingredients like the two other products from the Pure Skin line. We've got the different ceramides in there, the allantoin, we've got niacinamide, the oat milk, sodium hyaluronate, cholesterol, all of the goodness in this moisturizer as well, but yet with the aim to really nourish the skin and to protect the skin from moisture loss. And my top tip for applying this moisturizer is just to really gently work it into the skin for around 20 to 30 seconds. It does layer well, it doesn't peel or anything like that. It just doesn't have dimethicone or your standard silicones in there. It does have silica, but yeah, it just takes a little bit longer. Well, not a little bit longer, but it just takes 10 extra seconds just to work into the skin, just so the skin can really kind of like enjoy the moisturizer and get every last detail, every last drop that you put on your skin. And so those are the three products from e.l.f.'s Pure Skin line. Just incredible formulations, incredible price point, and also the textures, the consistencies. It's just a perfect set of products for a great routine. And then moving on, we have another product that I've been keeping a secret from you. I'm so sorry, but we have got the Medicaid Crystal Retinol 10. And you might be shocked, I know, because I am as well. This was a Black Friday purchase from Cult Beauty, I think it was, or Look Fantastic, I'm not too sure. But I have been using this for since Black Friday, since around the November, Christmas time, and I went straight in with number 10. And you might be thinking, oh, what an absolute horror story that has been for your skin. Why have you jumped straight into 10 and not gone up the ladder with Medicaid Crystal Retinol? But my skin has been quite tolerable to retinols and retinaldehyde and of course tretinoin before, so I knew my skin would take it, and I knew my skin would enjoy it. And it's been amazing. And this product is amazing because it's allowed me to incorporate retinaldehyde into my routine at a really good concentration, but not have those, irritating side effects of the drying, the peeling, the irritation. I've had a little bit of purging, but nothing to kind of, that's like, whoa. The side effects have been very minimal, and it's been a great addition into my skincare routine. And I would definitely recommend using medicaid retinol products if you can't get access to the likes of tretinoin, or if you're too sensitive to tretinoin and retinol just isn't kind of like cutting it for you. Like, you need something a bit more, a bit summit with it, you know what I mean? And this is just absolutely great. Yes, it's expensive, but it's kind of one of those products and that product line that you really kind of just need to invest in over, not just with your money, but over time as well. You need to invest your time, your patience in with it, because retinaldehyde, retinol, there's a more conversion point to retinoic acid, so it's going to take longer for you to see visible results instead of the likes of tretinoin, for instance. And I'm excited to continue my retinaldehyde journey with more medicaid products in the future. And now moving on to the final product that I wanted to speak about today is actually hair care. And now I've spoken about this on a previous video, but my hair, my scalp has been going through the longest journey ever. I've had dandruff, scalp psoriasis, itchiness, flakiness, dryness. My hair is very thin, it's very coarse. At the back there's a lot of it, but at the front there really isn't, as you can see with my massive forehead. So yeah, definitely finding products and routines that work for me, and really control the itchiness, the flakiness, and also the scalp conditions I experience is a blooming task. And then I was gifted this product from Dr. Cerecol around sort of like autumn time of last year. This is their Scalp DX Scaling Shampoo, and it is amazing. It is so good. And this product comes in at 500 mils. Like, it is so big, and it has this incredible, easy and convenient pump style bottle, which, when you're in the shower and you're like, oh, I can't see. But that's not the reason why I love it. I love it because it gives my hair such a nice glossy, healthy shine to it, and it feels really soft, really nourished, but yet it's also targeted the itchiness and the dryness of my scalp. And that is really something hard to come by, because a lot of dandruff, anti-dandruff shampoos, a lot of like descaling shampoos are really drying and really sort of, just so irritating to the skin. Like, I have used my fair share of those shampoos, and I have not found one product that just makes my hair feel soft and hydrated apart from this. And it just maintained the glossiness, my locks, my luscious locks. So those are all of my secret products I am currently revealing to you. Of course, there's lots more, but yes, it's always great to share my experiences, my opinions with you guys, just so I know that you will love them as well. Definitely check out e.l.f. Cosmetics Pure Skin line. It is incredible. Of course, I'll leave the links in the description box down below. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Bye bye.